Hi, my name is Andrew Bolton. I'm currently Professor of Medicine at the University of Manchester in the UK, a visiting professor at the University of Miami, and a consultant physician at the Manchester Royal Infirmary. Currently, I'm President of the International Diabetes Federation, or IDF. It's a pleasure for us to partner with Saladmaster, who raise awareness of diabetes and the importance of a healthy and balanced diet. For the last 70 years or more, IDF has been the global voice of people with diabetes. Our mission is to improve diabetes care and prevention across the world. Our activities aim to influence policy, to increase public awareness, and promote the exchange of high-quality information about diabetes and provide education for people with diabetes and their healthcare providers. There is no doubt that diabetes is a significant global health challenge. Around 550 million, or 1 in 10 of the global population, has diabetes at the present time, and a similar number are at high risk of developing it, and these numbers continue to rise. I can tell you, over the last 2 years, from 2017 to 2019, from 2019 to 2021, they've gone up by about 16% every 2 years. Over 90% of those with diabetes have type 2. This means that the body still makes insulin, but it's resistant to its action. And the rise in type 2 diabetes is driven by a number of factors. Importantly, genetics. Certain ethnic groups are more at risk, but also how people live, living in cities, taking the car instead of walking, eating inappropriately. Fast foods are so easy to get. And much can be done to reduce the impact of diabetes. Evidence suggests that regular physical activity and a healthy diet can help prevent and in some cases reverse type 2 diabetes. A healthy diet does include reducing the amount of calories you take if you're overweight and replacing saturated fats with unsaturated fats and taking more dietary fiber, less sugar, and avoiding too much alcohol. These recommendations apply to all, whether they have diabetes or not. For over 95% of the time, people with diabetes are looking after themselves. So knowing what food to eat and how to prepare healthy and balanced meals is so important to help the blood sugar or glucose levels in the target range and to avoid the late complications of diabetes. This also applies to people who are at risk of developing diabetes. We congratulate you on your efforts to inspire people to eat and live better through healthy home cooking using your unique nutritional cooking technology developed over the last 75 years. Education can help stop the rise of diabetes. Take control of your health today to protect tomorrow. Thank you very much and have a great day.